Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. DIY Truck Maintenance Guide, essential tips for beginners to save money and stay safe. Owning a truck comes with responsibilities, and regular maintenance is one of the biggest. Taking care of your truck yourself can save money, keep it running smoothly, and give you a real sense of accomplishment. Whether you're changing the oil, checking the brakes, or replacing a filter, basic maintenance isn't as hard as it might seem. With a little patience and the right tools, even beginners can handle many maintenance tasks safely and confidently. Ready to get started? Let's break it down step by step. Understanding your truck's maintenance needs. Taking care of your truck starts with knowing what it needs and when it needs it. While trucks are built tough, they're not immune to wear and tear. Regular maintenance ensures your vehicle stays reliable and safe while helping you avoid costly problems down the road. Let's break it into manageable parts so you know exactly where to begin. Types of maintenance: preventive versus reactive. When it comes to truck maintenance, there are two main approaches: preventive maintenance and reactive repairs. Understanding the difference can save you money and stress. Preventive maintenance. Think of this as stopping problems before they start. Tasks like oil changes, brake checks, and tire rotations fall into this category. They're done at regular intervals and are designed to keep your truck running in peak condition. It's like going to the doctor for a routine checkup instead of waiting until you're sick. Preventive care takes less time, costs less, and reduces the chance of breakdowns. Reactive repairs. This happens when something has already gone wrong, such as a flat tire, engine failure, or worn-out brakes. Reactive repairs are often more expensive because they can cause additional damage to other parts of your truck. Waiting until your truck breaks down can lead to more stress, higher repair costs, and even safety risks. Most truck owners would agree that preventive maintenance is the smarter approach. Instead of reacting to every issue, you're staying ahead of the game and keeping your truck in great shape. Key components to monitor regularly. Your truck has several critical components that need regular attention. Overlooking any of these can lead to bigger issues, or even safety hazards. Here are the key areas you should focus on: oil and oil filter. Your truck's engine relies on clean, fresh oil to function properly. Dirty or old oil can cause friction inside the engine, leading to overheating and damage. Check your oil level monthly, and change it as recommended in your owner's manual. Don't forget the oil filter. It traps contaminants and helps keep your engine clean. Brakes. Your brakes are one of the most important safety features on your truck. Listen for squeaking or grinding noises, and pay attention to how the brakes feel. Soft or spongy brakes could mean there's air in the brake lines or that the fluid is low. Check your brake pads regularly and replace them if they're worn down. Tires. Tires aren't just about traction, they impact handling, fuel efficiency, and overall safety. Look for proper tire pressure, which you can find listed in your truck's manual or on the driver's side doorframe. Inspect the tread for wear, and make sure there are no cracks, bubbles, or punctures. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles for even wear. Fluids. Your truck has several fluids working behind the scenes to keep it running smoothly. These include coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Low or dirty fluids can lead to overheating, poor handling, or mechanical failure. Check levels regularly, and top off fluids as needed. If you notice leaks under your truck, don't ignore them. They're often the first sign of trouble. By focusing on these components, you'll tackle the basics of truck maintenance. It's about being proactive, paying attention, and taking small steps that make a big difference. Basic tools every DIY truck mechanic should have. If you're diving into DIY truck maintenance, having the right tools makes all the difference. Without them, even the simplest tasks can become frustrating. The good news? You don't need an over-the-top toolbox to get started. With a few essentials, you'll be ready to tackle most routine maintenance and minor repairs. Hand tools for everyday repairs. Every truck DIYer needs a reliable set of hand tools. These are your go-to items for handling the majority of jobs, from tightening bolts to replacing parts. Here's a list of must-haves. Wrenches. Invest in a quality set of both open-end wrenches and a ratcheting socket set. Trucks often have larger bolts and nuts, so regular and metric sizes are helpful. Adjustable wrenches are also great for versatility. Screwdrivers. A set with various sizes of both flathead and Phillips, crosshead, screwdrivers is crucial. Many truck fittings will require these for anything from hose clamps to interior trim pieces. Pliers. You'll need needle nose pliers for precision tasks and locking pliers, such as vice grips, for removing stubborn fasteners. Tongue and groove pliers are great for gripping and turning larger components, like hoses. These tools are your foundation. Think of them as the Swiss Army knife of truck maintenance. They'll help with basic jobs like tightening hoses, swapping air filters, or even fixing minor electrical issues. Diagnostic tools for advanced troubleshooting. Sometimes, your truck will throw a curveball that you can't diagnose by sight alone. That's where diagnostic tools come into play. These tools are like having a translator for your truck's onboard systems. They'll help you figure out what's wrong without wasting time on guesswork. OBD2 Scanner. This tool connects to your truck's onboard diagnostic system. It reads error codes to tell you what's triggering the check engine light. Many scanners also provide real-time data on things like engine temperature and fuel efficiency. Handy, right? Multimeter. Electrical problems are common in trucks, and a multimeter is a lifesaver here. Use it to test fuses, battery voltage, and other electrical components. It's especially useful for identifying dead circuits or shorts. Infrared thermometer. Trucks have components that get extremely hot, like radiators and exhaust systems. An infrared thermometer allows you to check these temperatures safely, helping you spot overheating issues before they become major headaches. While these diagnostic tools may seem high-tech, they're surprisingly easy to use. They're essential for solving bigger problems, which makes them worth every penny if you want to avoid trips to the mechanic. Whether you're handling minor repairs or tackling more complex issues, the right tools will save you time, effort, and money. Having a well-equipped toolbox means you'll always be ready for whatever your truck throws at you. Step-by-step maintenance tasks. Handling basic maintenance on your truck might seem intimidating at first, but breaking tasks into simple steps makes it manageable. These essential tasks will keep your truck running efficiently and help you avoid costly issues later. Let's cover 3 critical areas: changing engine oil, checking brake pads, and maintaining tires. That's it for part 1. We've covered some key basics to get you started on your DIY truck maintenance journey. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into specific maintenance tasks and give you hands-on tips. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.